Hey guys, welcome back. Tim Knox with Revolved Realty here with my buddy Noel Bishop of Bishop 30 Solutions, and we are talking about safety, how to be a little safer in an unsafe world, how to be situationally aware, not make yourself an easy target. We've talked on other videos about, get off your cell phone, pay attention to your surroundings when you're in public. And one thing I wanted to talk about is you touched on this when you were on the show, was what I call, or what's commonly called, women's intuition.
Right.
Or that little.
It's a real thing.
Well, it is. Talk about that, because you put many years in as a DEA agent.
Yeah.
And it took you a while to develop that skill.
It did. So, I mean, I've had hundreds of interviews of whether the bad guys or people, what have you, and they give us training on how to pick up signs that someone is lying to you. Okay. So it took me about 15 years.
Really?
Yeah. To actually, as a man, to get good at that. And I can do it now.
Yeah.
But women, there's a lot of
they're born with it.
Yeah, they're born with
that. Yeah.
There's this thing called the women's intuition. Well, it's not some magical, mystical thing. It's real.
Right.
So women are actually more in tune with body language, okay, with facial expressions. And it's not like some bad guy's giving off, or somebody's giving off that they're picking up. No, they have the ability to know what someone's telling them with body language.
Right. Yeah. They're more emotionally in tune with what's going on.
They are.
And you call it trust your gut. That's why when you're a guy,
that's what guys say.
Guys say trust your gut, when 9 times out of 10 it's just gas.
Yeah. Yeah, well, that's true.
Guys, we're just big idiots. But with women, if you are a woman and you are at the mall or at your workplace or wherever, and if a guy gives you the creeps, there's probably a reason.
There is a reason
why that guy's giving you the
creeps.
creeps.
You may not be able to say, oh, because he did that. But when the hairs on the back of your neck stand up, take note of it.
Yeah, my wife, she does that. I mean, she's like, that guy just gives me the heebies.
Yes, yeah.
If you get the heebies, you need to listen to the heebies and take them seriously. There was a book that was written years ago about this, about trusting the fear that you feel, but it is a very real thing. So if you're out there and someone is giving you the heebies, trust your gut and get yourself out of that situation.
No, and it's an actual science. And women are born with it. Some have it better than others, but I'm envious.
This is why I would never lie to my wife.
That's right.
She would catch me in a heartbeat.
Well, see, now we're kind of on the same level now with my wife and I. So we're both at the same time. We go, he's lying.
Yeah, but see, it took you 15 years to get there, and she was 3 years old going, Daddy, he's lying.
Yeah.
All right. Hey, Noel, if folks want to get in touch with you and learn more about what you do, how do they do that?
Well, you can get on my website at bishop30solutions.com. That's bishop30solutions.com. Or you can give me a call. I'd love to hear from you at 256-513-2280.
Very good. And if I can do anything for you when it comes to real estate, do not hesitate to call 679-0704 or look me up on the web at revolved.com. And we're going to go try to trust our gut, maybe with some Mexican food.
Well, yeah, that's a different kind of trust.
I really want to trust this 15-year thing Noel's got going here.
That's out the window. That's a whole different thing.
All right. Talk to you soon.